This video shows how to replace the hot swap PSU on a PowerEdge T350. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To remove the hot swap PSU, press the release latch. And holding the PSU handle, slide the PSU out of the PSU bay. To replace the hot swap PSU, slide the PSU into the PSU bay until the release latch snaps into place. You have replaced the hot swap PSU on a PowerEdge T350. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.